Hello all my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. In this very tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Coingecko. In simple terms, I'm going to give you a Coingecko tutorial in 2023. So just subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss, and please watch this video until the very end. I'll try to explain to you everything that you'd like to know when it comes to Coingecko. So with that said, let's straight dive into the video. So when you come on Coingecko, you find a lot of things. There is coins. These are coins that are registered on Coingecko. So these are exchanges that right now are registered on Coingecko. Some of you know just Binance, Bybit, Bitget, those exchanges that are known on the market or are very popular. But there is other exchanges that you don't know. And if you want to know more of those exchanges, just come on Coingecko and you will understand there are over 766 as of current on Coingecko. So you can come here and see the coin market cap. So there is market cap of the whole crypto market. So when you come here, you can see that as of current on Coingecko, the market cap of the whole crypto entire market, it is 1.2 trillion. And it is still rising, as you know that crypto is gaining momentum in the market. So when you come here, you will see the 24-hour trading volume of the whole crypto in general. Then there is dominance of BTC. So the dominance of BTC as of current, it is 48.2. I mean, out of 1.2 trillion on market cap of the whole entire crypto, 48.2 it is only in BTC. So you can see how big BTC is. And this one is Ethereum dominance, it is 18.4. When you deduct 48.2 and 18.4, so the rest of the coins fall under that percentage that is remaining. So when you come here, you will see the gas. The gas is 14 Gwei, and Gwei, it is the dominance of Ethereum in gas, and the dominance, it is the value in simple terms. So this is the value of gas. You'll find here there is cryptocurrencies, there is also exchanges in categories, also there is NFTs, land crypto and product. So when you come on cryptocurrencies, you'll find here how cryptocurrencies or coins are arranged by market cap. So when you click here, you can see how these coins are arranged or categorized according to the market cap. So you can see that it is from BTC. You can see the price, 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 24-hour volume, and the market cap. So you can see that they move according to their market caps up to the last one. So when you come on new cryptocurrencies, so these are the new cryptocurrencies that are registered on Coingecko in the recent days. As you can see that right now, the last added in 2 hours, 21 hours, 21 hours, and the rest you can follow them. So when you go back on cryptocurrencies, you'll find categories. So when you come on categories, you'll find top crypto categories by market cap, how they are ranked according to their market cap. So you can find coins in layer 1, and when you click in it as in layer 1, they will show you all coins in layer 1, as you can see from here. So you can click here and see exactly these coins, all of them, they have their blockchains. That's why they are called layer 1 coins. So still you find other categories. There is smart contract platform, and they move up to 100 and almost 3. As you can see from here, there are 103 all categories that you'd like to see. There is Cardano ecosystem, Avalanche, and many more. There is like this one, it is for gambling, and this one is for environment, guild and scholarship, tourism. So these coins, in most cases, if you want maybe to buy coins according to their categories, you come like here and you see the coins in tourism. When you click in them, they will show you those coins in those categories. As you can see that top tourism coins by market cap, so you can buy them according to their categories. Still on cryptocurrencies, there is watch list. So on watch list, these are the coins that are more trending in crypto, that they are more watched by many people. So you can see there is trending coins, there is most voted coins, there is new cryptocurrencies. So you can come here and see exactly all the coins that according to the way how they are. So when you come back here, you'll find the gainers and losers. So in gainers, you'll find top coins that have made a lot of percentage in 24 hours. As you can see from here, that Polescam or NCT, it has made 90% in the last 24 hours, as you can see as they go on and they go on. So there is also top losers. These are the coins that have made a lot of losses in the last 24 hours. So this one, AMPL, it has made 14.8 losses in the last 24 hours. And if you want to learn how you can use gainers and losers and you make at least $100 in just a day, just subscribe in this very channel. You will even go and see that video on the way how you can make it. So back on cryptocurrencies, you will find high volume coins. So here they will be giving you 100 coins by trading volume. So you can see that Aave right now, it is the first. Tether, there is BTC, it is the second one. There is Ethereum and many more and many more. So if you want to see more of these coins, just come here and see exactly how these coins are very categorized in 24 hours, of course, and 7 days. Back on cryptocurrencies, there is also all coins that you would like to see from the first up to the last. All cryptocurrencies on Coingecko. You find them on cryptocurrencies button. You can see how they are. They will show you like BTC, the symbol, the price, 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 24-hour trading volume, saturating supply, total supply, and the market cap, of course. So you can see all the categories and all the coins right from the first up to the last one, and they move up to 9,900 plus. So you can see all those coins when you come on cryptocurrencies and you click on all coins. So you can compare also coins. Still on cryptocurrencies, you can find here a button called compare coins. So you can put here like A, Ethereum, and you select B. They will show you, they calculate the price of A with the market cap of B. So Ethereum price with the market cap of BTC, it is 4,890.52, and it is 2x. When you are making your research on coins, maybe you want to weigh them according to their categories, so you can see from here. So this is the Ethereum market cap and this is the BTC market cap. That's how these coins they move. So back on cryptocurrencies, you find converter. So you can come here and select the amount that you'd like to see. Then you select the coin here. Let me say Ethereum. So they will show you this amount is equivalent to this one in Ethereum. And even you can select currency that you'd like to see when it comes to that amount. So this is like a calculator on Coingecko. So also we can find a global chart. So this is a global chart, how cryptocurrency is moving on a daily basis. As you can see that right now, this is the price and the volume. So this is the chart, of course, on how it is moving as of current. So you can see the total coins tracked, total exchanges tracked, total categories tracked, and everything that you'd like to see. After this one, we are going straight to exchanges. There is crypto exchanges, there is centralized exchanges and derivatives. Cryptocurrencies exchanges, these are all exchanges without categories. They are just ranked right from number 1 up to the last. These are the cryptocurrencies that you'd like to see if at all you want to see them. But when you come on decentralized exchanges, these decentralized exchanges, these are the exchanges that are managed by laws in different countries. There is Uniswap, there is Curve, and so many. There is Dodo and others that you'd like to see. So if you want to see more of these decentralized exchanges, just subscribe on this very channel. You just look for that video that talks exactly on decentralized exchanges. You will learn more about them. So when you come on derivative exchanges, these are exchanges that are using the mainly in futures. So when you don't find any exchange that is not here, that means it cannot trade futures. So back on NFTs, there is NFT flow price, there is NFT related coins. So if you want to see NFT related coins, you click here on Coingecko, you will see all the coins, how they are moving and how they are related to NFTs. So when you come still on NFT flow price, it means you will see all the NFTs that you'd like to see. And if you want to buy them, of course, you can see exactly and make research, because this is not a financial advice. First, make your own research before you buy any coin. So that's how they move. There is also Learn Crypto. All if you want to see the articles concerning cryptos every day on Coingecko, you can come here and see all the articles. If you want to analyze or you want to make analysis on how you can make your own research, of course, you can come here, click in it and see how you can make that. So if you want to be guided by Coingecko, still come here. And if you want the grocery, they are here, the methodologies and the videos concerning cryptocurrencies, you still come here, the podcast, the newsletters and the research reports. So all of these things are in Learn Crypto on Coingecko. So when you come on products, you find a lot of things. There is Gecko Terminal, there is Coingecko Research. If you want to make research with Coingecko, you can click there, make research, your own research. If you want the app for Coingecko, I mean the Coingecko on your phone, so it means you can get it from here. When you click in it, you can see that you can get that one for iPhone and get it on Google Play or the Android one. So that's how you can get it. Still, the crypto portfolio, you can get it from here. There is crypto API, there is crypto YG and crypto store. Everything that you'd like to see on Coingecko, they are still there. So back on Coingecko, still when you want to see the portfolios, you can click here, of course. They will show you your portfolio, how much you have on your account. So as you can see right now, I have total the balance is 0 and 24-hour portfolio change, it is still 0, because right now I don't have amount on Coingecko. So if you want to see the categorized portfolio on your Coingecko account, still you can come here. You see all the portfolios, my portfolio, NFTs and my NFT portfolio. So if you want to research anything concerning any coin on Coingecko, still you come here and you research on any coin that you'd like to see. So hope you have understood everything, guys. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon if you haven't done so, and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Zima Crypto. For today, I'm out. Bye for today. Good luck.